Hi friends, thank you for tuning to Rana Space, and today I'm going to unbox Portronics 3 ampere 8 pin USB data cable, which is very useful for iPhone users because these days you know that Apple is not providing any kind of adapter in the box. So if you have this cable, then you can use uh, your existing adapter to charge your iPhone. So let's get started. So let me give you the overview first. So this is the box. It's very cute packing. So in front it is written that 3 ampere of output. The length of the cable is 1.2 meter and it's a type of nylon material. On the side again, simplify, yes, simplify life. It will get simple to charge your iPhone. So from here we will open it, and then like this, it's like a portly. Yeah. So we have a cable here. So you can see they have given a card where they have written, if you click a photo of your invoice and you WhatsApp on this number, you will get a extended warranty or maybe 6 months warranty, I think, registration. Yeah. So this is a cable in very good poly bag. So I will just open the poly bag. And yes, we have a cable here. Just have a look of pins. So it is in this fashion so that it is very convenient to charge. It has got a velcro here so that you can align your wire accordingly if you are using on desktop PC or laptop. So I hope you like my this quick video. Link of purchasing in the description. Thank you for watching. Please do watch my other videos also. If you like my this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you.